great holiday season so far. Today I am going to tell you guys about how I de-stress during the holidays. For the last several months I've been working relentlessly, as you guys already know. Being a physician, I had a lot of responsibilities, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to create my Christmas tree. So every year, a lot of people who know me knows that I create a unique Christmas tree. Of course, I have the unique Christmas tree done in my formal area, and I did post a picture on Instagram and wanted to just kind of show how I did the tree, and a lot of DMs I received how I created this white Christmas tree. So today's video is going to be on how I created the Christmas tree and how it actually helped me de-stress in the evening after I came back from work or on the weekends. So for this Christmas tree, as you can see, it's an absolutely white Christmas tree, and I'm going to start from the top because that's where we should start. So that's like a white snowflake, and I created this theme to be golden and white color. And then you can see right below I have beautiful snowflakes and golden touches all over, and a beautiful white peacock, which is signifying peace. I do not think this year is going to be anything else than a white colored peacock, which is going to bring peace in our lives. And I have just cute, poinsettias all over, and I have these cute decorations that I have probably collected from various stores. And the highlight of this tree, however, is the snow that you see. So to create the snow, I used several types of snowing techniques. So you could buy things which you can make the snow, and then those are the snow flurries. And I also bought a spray which can give you the quick Christmas tree snow look to this beautiful Christmas tree. And then I have this beautiful white fairy balls which make the tree more and more beautiful. I have some golden ornaments. I tried keeping this tree very simple and elegant. However, I did attach a little bit because without poinsettias, red poinsettias, how is Christmas going to be complete? So I created this little flowers around the Christmas tree, which has the white mums or chrysanthemums, and you can also see the nutcracker is also ready. I have a beautiful reindeer, and I have a lot of gold pieces. The poinsettias look absolutely delightful and beautiful, and I don't think this Christmas is going to be complete without this Christmas tree. And I'm going to have a lot of hot chocolate and relax while watching this beautiful white Christmas tree. Hope you guys like this video. Take care, guys. Happy holidays. Christmas lights are so magical. So this year's Christmas has been kind of mixed feelings, but we don't want to have the Christmas positive vibes not be in our lives. It's going to be not good. So we kind of said, a lot is going on, but we are still going to do the Christmas lights. And I absolutely have no contribution to it. It was all done by my husband, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I think the little snowflakes and the deer, the whole white concept of the Christmas tree and the Christmas ambience is created by the outdoor lights, and it looks so dazzling and sparkly. And we have some holly wreaths down over there on the garage, and then we have a little nook here where we have a couple of more decorations, and the snowflakes just bring a lot of glam and positivity in our lives. The other part of the Christmas tree, the Christmas lights decoration is above the garage, as you can see, and it brings like the sparkliness. So here we have a white Christmas tree. We have some multicolored lights which has kind of given the sparkling. I hope you liked this Christmas lights. I loved it very much. Good morning to all of you. Yesterday I went to bed around 3:30 or 4, and I woke up at 7. because I know I have to do some bits and bobs of my Christmas shopping. It's kind of a rainy day. I don't see the sun yet, and it's about 10 o'clock now. I just kind of got in a holiday dress. I didn't want to do any makeup or anything. I didn't want to be bothered by anything because it was like a lot of work yesterday. I was cooking and then cleaning at night till I went to bed. So I know I need sleep, but I still wanted to go out and do the last few things I have to buy for my daughter, which I haven't bought, and she wants to go with us to see what she wants to get. You know, they want to get their choice. So here you go. So I'm going to go to Millennia Mall and get some things for her, and I should be back right after that and have some work to do. But after that I'm going to sleep a lot and just snuggle today, because I think this is a snuggle kind of a day. And I also feel that I'm in the Christmas vibes. I know that I am you know, like feeling that the positivity coming back again amidst everything that's going around us, and I think this positivity keeps me going. I wanted to show you guys one of these things, or branches. Look how beautiful these poinsettias. So you could do like little flower beds. You just have to get a planter and put a green foliage, and in the middle just put a poinsettia. So it makes the foliage and the poinsettia look really cute. And then also you have I don't know if you could see over there, there is one foliage I created with chrysanthemums and the poinsettia as well. So that is that. And I have to pack my Christmas gifts. I have completed most of my Christmas gifts by now. Like, not just packed, but I have like even given out the Christmas gifts I need to give most of my people. Some people I probably cannot meet them before Christmas, so I'm going to keep their gifts later on. But other than that, I will be going to the Mall of Millennia. So I'm going to try to take you guys with me if possible, and let's see what happens. Have a great day, guys. So I wanted to create this bombshell goddess look. The most important thing here is the eyes, so I concentrated mostly on my complexion and my eyes. I have a velvet eyeshadow. It's a metallic shadow, and I have Pat McGrath Labs' Bronze Seduction palette. There is a color which is same as eggplant color. It's like a deepish purple, which I have smoked out the side with this with the smoked purple color. And I have a metallic, this shade is from Urban Decay's metallic shadows. And eyebrows, I just used just a little bit of brow gel. And for my lips, I used Huda Beauty's metallic lips. I'm not sure about the color. Let me see what color is that. This is the color, and I absolutely love this lip color. It's metallic and it has like tiny dust particles. And then for the eyes, I used for the micro glitters, I used Makeup Forever's glitter eyeshadow, and have a very simple kind of a look. Otherwise, just some curls I did with my Dyson Airwrap, and just focused on the concentration and just did a little bit of contouring, and that's it, and a little bit of lip gloss. Take care, guys. Hope you like this look.
Year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la.
So hello, I hope all of you guys are having a great time so far. So I haven't been able to talk to you guys for a long time. It has been just very busy at work. I hope you guys have a blessed Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2021. We all need that. Take care, guys.
I wanted to show you my outfit of the day, and I absolutely love this tutu skirt and this jacket, and I'm wearing it with my over-the-knee boots, and I have some leather leggings and a red crop top. It is absolutely beautiful weather here in Florida, in sunny Florida. We are having just a small get together of a few friends, and I wanted to create this kind of a bombshell girl look. It's more going towards I would say like a red Christmas outfit, but a little bit sassy, and just so that there's a little bit of sparkle in our lives. So I absolutely love this attire, and I think this attire is easy to carry on and also very easy as a wearable. You can use other accessories like a beautiful black Chanel purse or any purse in fact, and have a crossbody purse with it, which will look great. Even a red purse with the black skirt is going to look great. I really like this combination of red and black, because what happens is during Christmas we tend to use a lot of red, and sometimes the red is just too much. So I think if you have such a over the knee boots, probably a black or a toned down color would not be bad. And I'm wearing a little bit of a crop top with this. Guys, this look I created for the holidays. This can be worn as a New Year dress as well, because this is perfect. You can use any crop top, and it doesn't matter if it's red or a black tutu skirt, black leather leggings, and my over the knee boots. And I love this outfit because it's just so easy to carry. You just have to have a black skirt, which is kind of little tutu skirt, and it has to be a mini skirt though, because otherwise it's not going to look good. So at least 4 or 5 inches above the knee, so that the over the knee boots are not overlapping the skirt. So the skirt is high-waisted and it looks very sassy. It can be worn for Christmas or New Year, it doesn't matter. I hope you guys are having a great weekend so far.